want to get better insights and know what's in the box before you go out and buy your gadgets and consumer electronics, subscribe now, because this is what we do here at Mr. Unbox. Today we'll take a look at some nice video lights that work perfectly for YouTubers on a tight budget. And this is a part of the series where we focus on camera gear. Get it? Focus. This is the Neewer Photo Studio 176. It has 176 bright LEDs, and it also comes in a version with 216 LEDs. The Photo Studio series is an improvement to the CN160, which has been heavily appraised by fellow YouTubers in the past. The major differences are that this one has a small LED that shows the brightness level, and it has a power input that allows you to plug in a power supply directly without any weird converters. But let's have a look and see what's inside the box. So let me just show you how I use these. I have my camera on a tripod. On the top I have a cold shoe adapter that has 3 cold shoes, so I can put in 2 lamps and my microphone. One of the lamps is used as a key light that shines directly on me with a low brightness setting. The other one is used as a fill light, and I reflect it on the wall to give me a soft lighting all over the place. So far I can highly recommend these. They're small, they're portable, and they're easy to use. And most importantly, they were quite cheap. It's around $25 for one lamp, but be aware that they come without any batteries or chargers or power supplies, so you will have to order those on the side. The battery, however, is the same as the ones used for Sony Handycams, so if you have an old Handycam lying around, you'll be good to go. What kind of lights do you have? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear what other people are doing. And don't forget to check out this playlist for more camera gear, and check out this video that YouTube recommends for you. And also, please subscribe to the channel if you didn't already do so. Until next time, stay frosty people, and see ya!